before you. Were you a witness to all of these accusations that you make against the Chief Justice?
No, Your Honor.
You cannot even be a witness and you are foisting yourself as a complainant before the public? What kind of good governance are you trying to promote? You're acting on anonymous sources. Every time there is something that requires identification of the source, the prosecution says there is no source. It came anonymously. Who is Mr. Anonymous? Since I want to ask the PNP and the AFP to issue an arrest order against him. Why is there a proliferation of Mr. Anonymous in this archipelago? And you're head of something that promotes good governance? That's your idea of good governance? You act on anonymous complaints? You don't even bother to examine for yourself using your own brains whether these complaints are fair or not? Plus, in addition to that, you say that you are lead convener of Kaya Natin. Ilan ba kayo sa Kaya Natin? Ilan kayong kasapi?
Yung members po namin, Your Honor, around mga 1,000 plus po.
1,000? Anong proof mo na mayroon kang 1,000 tao?
Meron po kaming pinapa-fill out po na membership forms, Your Honor.
Di pumunta sila, kusa sa iyo. Tapos sinasabi nila, gusto namin mag-member ng Kaya Natin. Yan ba ibig mong sabihin?